Most people lie to themselves about how strong they are. I did too. I thought I was detached until I actually stepped into the void. Watch until the end. This one is different. I'm not going to quote Marcus Aurelius at you for the next 18 minutes. I'm going to tell you what actually happened when I decided to embrace nothingness for 90 days. Everything was falling apart. Reputation, money, relationships. I kept repeating, it's not up to me, but I was still suffering. That's when I asked myself the dangerous question. What if I deliberately lived as if nothing mattered? No validation, no attachment, no future, just pure void. So I created the Void Protocol. The void isn't depression. It's not giving up. It's the Stoic practice of radical detachment while still acting with excellence. Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus all pointed at this, but nobody teaches the real method. The first 3 weeks were hell. My mind screamed for meaning. Every habit I used to feel important stopped working. I sat in silence for hours. That's when the fear hits you. Then something shifted around day 23. I realized most of my suffering came from needing things to matter. When I stopped needing them to matter, the pressure disappeared. This is the part nobody talks about. When nothing matters, you become dangerous. You act without fear of loss. You speak without needing approval. You finally become free. Here's exactly what I did every single day. 1. Morning void meditation. 2. The it matters nothing reframe. 3. Evening total release practice. I'll show you how to do each one. After 90 days, I didn't become apathetic. I became powerful. My work became better. My relationships became deeper because I needed nothing from them. But I must warn you, this path is not for everyone. Some people fall into the void and never come back. You must keep virtue as your anchor. The void doesn't destroy you, it removes everything that wasn't you in the first place. What remains is dangerous clarity. If you want to walk this path with me, subscribe, and I'll continue documenting what I'm learning inside the void. The next video drops in 3 days. This is only the beginning.